if it does its job.
Yeah, exactly.
Here we go. I have got CFL quarterback and legend Henry Burris with me as the Ottawa Redblacks just broke up minicamp here at the Redskins Training Center in Richmond, Virginia. Henry, welcome to Richmond, first of all, even though I know you're getting ready to head out.
Well, it's good to be back in Virginia. Spent a number of days playing against the Hokies and my Big East days.
That's right.
It's good to be back in the area.
Does it seem like it's just been a blink of an eye since you were at Temple?
You know what? I mean, time flies, especially when you're living out your dream. And I'm thankful that I made it this far. And it seems like yesterday. I was just up in Temple about 2 weeks ago, and just all the memories came back. Being here in Virginia and flying into Richmond. Of course, we flew into Roanoke when we played in Blacksburg, but just to be in this area just kind of brings back a lot of great memories. So many great times here and good people here, but great football community.
You've had a fantastic career. You have a new opportunity here at Ottawa with a brand new franchise. How excited are you about the prospects of this team? And how excited are you to continue the dream in the capital city of Canada?
Oh man, I tell you, this is very exciting. I mean, very few people have an opportunity to start an organization off from grassroots. And I'm a part of that. I'm a part of building the foundation of what takes place in Ottawa the next number of years. And the legacy that will continue on once I'm done playing. And like I said, when the opportunity was presented to me, I had to jump at it with no hesitation. To sign on and be a part of this beginning, I mean, it's something that I'm relishing at the moment. I'm moving my family from Calgary, where we live out in Western Canada, over into Ottawa because, I mean, if there's any city, in its rightful nation that deserves to have that sport, it's the nation's capital. And the people of Ottawa have been waiting a long time.
A long time. Final question. I know a lot of people will talk about your role with the team as being a mentor and helping out and building and foundation, but you've got some more to prove on the field, don't you?
Oh yeah, I mean, we're here to win. I mean, that's the bottom line. And throughout the journey, that mentorship and all that will take part. But it's all about doing what I can to help this team be successful in the end. I mean, we're all about winning, and people want to throw out that franchise tag and all that stuff. But to me, that expansion stuff, to me, that's only excuses because we're not here to be an expansion team. We are the Ottawa Redblacks, just as any other team. We're gearing up to try to win a championship, and that's where our focus is. And we're coming in with no holds barred. We're going to do everything we can to make sure we're winning from day one, and that's what we're preparing to do, come training camp.
That's the way it should be.
Yes, sir, only way.
Henry Burris, thanks so much for taking a moment to join us today.
Hey, thanks for having me.